There has been a lot of change in the past few months all across the United States and the world itself. But today we're going to look on exactly what's been happening in the real estate market here in Illinois. Well, welcome back. I'm Jaketysiak, that guy that sells houses, a realtor here in Illinois. And today we're going to be going through what's been happening in the real estate market in the month of February, getting you caught up on all those numbers. But make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to be explaining why the real estate market is so secluded and not acting like a lot of the other investment and economic markets out there at the moment. So let's start off as we usually do, talking about sold price. Across the Chicagoland area, we saw our average sales price increase another 0.5% up to $353,782. Now, both DuPage County and Will County also saw similar increases of 0.5% in their markets as well. And of course, for next month's market, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified of our next numbers video. Now, looking at that compared to the amount of actual closed sales that happened in the month of February, we saw 7,941 homes, which is down just a touch from our January numbers. Now, the question we've constantly been asking is, there's still new homes coming to market? And in the month of February, we saw 12,527 new homes come to market. However, this is still quite down from our usual trends where we see about 16 or 17,000 new homes come to the market. And of course, as you can guess, this is driving prices itself, what we saw just a minute ago. And of course, when we look at the under contracts itself, we saw those increase slightly as well, crossing back over that 10,000 mark. And while all this was going along, we did see the actual amount of homes out there for sale across the entire MLS fall below 15,000, hitting a new low as we've been seeing month after month with just not a lot of inventory coming to market. And that is correlating with the combination of the amount of solds and the amount of homes that we're seeing available for sale for our inventory levels really dip again. Both Will County and DuPage County are just a 7/10 of a month worth of inventory based on our current amount of sales. And across the entire MLS, we are just above 1 month at 1.1 month supply worth of homes. And I anticipate with the market heating up, next month we might see ourselves, if not get to that 1 month mark, maybe a little bit below that. So you might be finding yourself, why is this so different? Because when we look across all of the stock markets and interest rates, things have been in great fluctuation since the beginning of this year. But you also have to understand that the real estate market is probably one of the most unique markets there is, in the fact that, for one, it's most Americans' largest investment. Now, most people purchase a home as a place to live in, but so much equity is tied up in that home. But again, it's not really seen as an asset. The home is a place that you come back, relax, live your life, and enjoy your time off. And it's much different, and with interest rates being so low already, even with the increase, there's so much demand out there still. So of course, we'll have more numbers for you next month. But if you are curious about the Wall Street Journal and my thoughts on the cost of purchasing a home, look at our video up here. And also, YouTube thinks you'll like this video here. And if you do have any questions or are looking for an agent, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to help. I'm Jaketysiak with Keller. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.